Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Turn off the engine and park on level ground before you inspect the fuel cap. Release pressure slowly and remove the cap by turning counterclockwise. Inspect the rubber gasket for cracks, hardening, or missing sections that could leak vapor. Look at the cap threads and the filler neck for dirt, paint, or debris that might prevent a tight seal. Clean soft debris with a lint-free cloth and some rubbing alcohol. Do not use abrasive tools that could damage threads or the seal material. Reinstall the fuel cap and turn clockwise until you hear 3 distinct clicks for a secure seal. If the cap does not click or feels loose, the internal latch or gasket might be faulty, and you should replace it. A replacement fuel cap typically costs between $0 and $0 depending on brand and model. Ensure the gasket sits flat and the filler neck threads are clean before you tighten to clicks. Do not over-tighten using tools. Hand tightening to clicks is the correct method. After fixing or replacing the cap, the check fuel cap light usually clears after driving 10 to 30 miles or completing 3 normal drive cycles. If the light stays on after about 30 miles, use an OBD2 scanner to check for evap system codes such as P0456 or P0457. Persistent codes or a steady light after replacing the cap indicate a leak in the evap line or charcoal canister that needs professional diagnosis. Take the vehicle to a mechanic if you cannot clear the code yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.